At night when you're home alone, all this shit in my head, yeah, you don't wanna know. On your knees, begging for your life, I'm a 44 to your door.
Hello, my name is Aiman. So I would like to explain about ion exchanger machine. As you can see here are some information and specification about the machine. There are several hazards on the machine that we can be identified. Firstly, is electrical or maintenance hazard on the transmitter. The hazard is the potential for ignition source in hazardous area. If this cover is open for calibration or maintenance while the system is powered, it could ignite flammable gases or dust if present in the atmosphere. We should implement a strict lotto procedure and isolating the power before handle the machine. So the next hazard is material handling hazards on the pipes. The connection between the vertical pipe and the elbow below it looks stressed and misaligned. This creates pipe strain, which puts excessive load on the bolts and gaskets, leading to premature failure or cracking. Therefore, there are distinct brown or orange stains on the floor because of the active leakage. This creates a slip hazard and indicates the corrosive chemicals are escaping containment.
Hi, I will talk about hazard education in Centrifuge. First is electrical hazard are the stop and control button. They can cause electrocution if weak or faulty. Next is mechanical hazards come from the fast rotation drum and unbalanced load or open it can cause injury or damage. Also, pressure hazard happen when rotation put or pressure which may release material suddenly. And finally, electrical hazard at the motor and control panel can cause short circuit or system fail if not maintained. That's all for me. Bye.
Hello there. We are going to demonstrate the video for logout tagout system, in which you need to have keys if you are working at group, but make sure the key is different and with the provided lock, which is also should be different, and need to have a tag on how long you are going to work. Then once you finish your work, you should take off the locks so that to ensure that you are either you are attending or not for the maintenance project, and usually it will be for external parties like contractors. Also, there is a procedures to conduct lotto in which to notify your employees, shut down the equipment while doing the maintenance, isolate the energy, then use logout tagout, release store energy, and verify the isolation. And that's all from us. Thank you.
Secondly, the safety measure applied was the permit to work, which is issued by a competent person such as the area owner, site manager or safety officer, and received by the person or team carrying out the job, such as maintenance supervisor or contractor. After receiving the permit to work, the workers or responsible person must fill in the relevant forms to ensure that all required safety measures, procedures and precautions are properly identified and complied with before the work begins, as well as to confirm that potential hazards have been assessed and control measures are in place throughout the work activity. After that, the workers can proceed to the designated work site or specific work area to start the job. Once it has been confirmed that all requirements, conditions and limitations stated in the permit to work have been fully understood and agreed upon by all involved personnel, the work shall be carried out strictly in accordance with the approved methods, safety procedures and risk control measures, with continuous supervision and communication among the team members. Throughout the work activity, workers must remain alert to potential hazard, use the required personal protective equipment, and ensure that the workplace remains safe, orderly and compliant with all safety regulations until the job is complete and the permit is closed.
Hello everyone, so this scene shows that workers should identify the standard operating procedure, which is SOP, before operating a machine. On this machine, there is a QR code that has been provided to the workers as the first step to identify the SOP before starting work. Preparation of SOP in the form of a QR code is easier for every user to access. Purpose of the SOP is to ensure workers read and understand the working method before starting work. Next, to standardize work methods for safe and correct operation. Third, to reduce human error. Fourth, to ensure work is done according to safety and operational standards.
That's all from us. Thank you.